Man. Motherfucker follow the nigga around, dude. That's real. Shit, yo. Fuck these feds. Redneck, racist motherfuckers. Man.
I don't wanna run no more, but I know that if I stop, I'll be another nigga headed to heaven hanging with Pop. These motherfuckers look at me like I'm a slayer. Making threats to my family, dog, I'm in danger. Who do you call when these haters want you dead? And they hit these penitentiaries and niggas make a pledge, so I dip and duck the fed. All my homies stuck out on indictments, caught up on the phone talking prices. 25 to life's the mandatory minimum. My whole community gets treated like they criminals. Riot convictions getting motherfuckers hung. Gotta see how on the inside and everybody's gone. Mothers and fathers separated from their sons. Households are broken, you couldn't hold your tongue. If it's yours, say it's yours, take the case to the town.
Everything is fine.
Now you crying in the jail cell, stressing on the case. DA's at a nigga every other day. I can see it in your face, in the middle of your soul. You in question your manhood, homie.
Keep it cold.
We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bond. We don't trust in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We rely on the streets, we do battle in the hood. I was born in the G code, embedded in my blood. We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bond. We ain't trusting in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We rely on the streets, we do battle in the hood. I was born in the G code,